Statistics tell you what people are searching for that end up at your listing, where they're coming from, and much more. This is a statistic page for a restaurant. The first item shown is activity for the listing. The blue is how many impressions the listing has received, meaning how many times your business listing appeared in search results. The second is for actions, meaning the number of visitors who have actually clicked through to view the listing from a search result. You'll see the data total here for both, and you'll see how many people are clicking through to what parts of the listing. You'll also see top search queries. These are terms that people are using when searching, and these are the terms that people get to your listing from. You'll also see where people are getting driving directions from when getting directions to your business. So if they live 40 miles away, but are getting directions, you'll know that people are willing to travel to get to your business. If a lot of people are coming from one area, then you'll know where a lot of your clientele is located and where your services are needed most. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in the Maximizing Your Business with Google Local Business Center series.
Hey, this is Doc. If you're looking for a cheap and easy way to put your own content on the web, go get domain names from hover.com. Just visit hover.com/butterscotch and you'll get 10% off and support shows like these. Thanks.